Welcome to Gardening with She Girly Girl, and I'm getting ready to harvest my corn. I have already harvested 4 corns. I have 4 in here already. Beautiful corn. Beautiful corn. So I'm gonna harvest some more. So come with me and watch me harvest my corn. Let's see what I can get out of here. Let's see. So this is a little bitty one, small one. I don't know how well they're doing, but I'm going to go in and harvest them. This is a little bitty one. Doesn't seem like too much happened here. Oh, wait a minute. Yes, it did. It's like the store-bought corn, like the ones that you already get from the store that be small. So that's a small one. But these did well. Let's see if I can find some more bigger ones. Honeybee told me I need to go in and pull the bigger ones. So that's what I'm gonna try. Okay. So if I pulled already from this, look at that. Oh, another beautiful one. I'm not for sure why the top is not making it, but around here it did. Look, beautiful corn. Beautiful corn. Let's come in here so you can see. Look at this big one. Ooh, got some big corn. Gardening with She Girly Girl, and She Girly Girl love gardening life. Yes, I do. Oh, it's a real big one back here. It may be too big. Wow, look at that one. Ooh, look at this one, big one. That's a huge one here. Ooh. Something at the top didn't develop right. Oh, but in the inside it did. Look at there. Beautiful corn. Beautiful, beautiful corn. Look at that. I don't know what right here didn't develop, but this entire corn, something happened at the top where it didn't develop. But look at this. Corn, corn, corn. Beautiful corn. To God be the glory. I'm harvesting corn, y'all. I have corn, corn, corn. I should have started from this end. This is my small ones. So I don't know. I may leave the small ones out. I don't know if they'll get any bigger. I'm going to pull the big ones though. Let's do that. Just pull the big ones. Here's another big one. I'm being careful here because this grass is kind of high. Another big one. Ooh, let me go get my container. And corn. Amazing. You hear it? Y'all. Oh wow. I'm gonna boil some of this corn tonight, and it's gonna be my dinner. I'm definitely gonna boil some tonight. This is a real big one. Look at him. Honeybee said if I leave them out too long, they may be hard. They may get hard. But look at this one, almost developed all the way to the top. Look at it. I think I got all the big ones. To God be the glory. How many? Whew, that's kind of heavy now. Look at my harvest of corn. To God be the glory. Wow, I'm amazed. Last year, I think I may have gotten 3 or 4 corns because we had a storm, and the storm just took this whole cornfield out last year. We had a storm this year, but not as bad as last year. So they were able to make it. To God be the glory for my corn. Amen. Yes, yes, yes. And Miss Charlene, I have your green beans in my freezer because I didn't have time to bring them to you before my trip. So they're in the freezer. I did cook a few of them. I have a video showing me cooking them. But, and they were delicious too. But you have enough to make a meal. To God be the glory for my corn. Where did it go? So I have 20 pieces of corn. Here's my tomato harvest. Tomatoes. Oh, look at this Siamese twin tomato. Look, honey. I call it a Siamese twin. You see that? Tomatoes, pinto beans, purple peas. Cucumber, I don't think this cucumber is any good, so it's yellow. Never seen a yellow cucumber. But anyway, harvest. So I have tomatoes, I have corn, I have purple peas, I have pinto beans. Some of this is gonna have to go, especially the tomatoes and the corn. Virginia, you the first one. I think you asked for tomatoes. Look at this beautiful tomato. This one as well. So I don't want to get too, most of them are still hard. I don't want to get soft where they're no more good. I may have to end up stewing some of them, putting them in a stew.